Hi friends, welcome to Children's Campus 365 Days.
Hi kids, welcome to our channel. Today we are gonna learn A to Z alphabets. So let's start. Apricot, apricot, A for apricot. Banana, banana, B for banana. Carrot, carrot, C for carrot. Dog, dog, D for dog. Elephant, elephant, E for elephant. Fish, fish, F for fish. Grapes, grapes, G for grapes. Hat, hat, H for hat. Ice cream, ice cream, I for ice cream. Juice, juice, J for juice. Kangaroo, kangaroo, K for kangaroo. Lion, lion, L for lion. Mango, mango, M for mango. Nest, nest, N for nest. Orange, orange, O for orange. Papaya, papaya, P for papaya. Queen, queen, Q for queen. Raccoon, raccoon, R for raccoon. Star, star, S for star. Tiger, tiger, T for tiger. Uncle, uncle, U for uncle. Violin, violin, V for violin. Watermelon, watermelon, W for watermelon. Xylophone, xylophone, X for xylophone. York, york, Y for York. Zebra, zebra, Z for zebra. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share. Bye bye.